We are now inside the corridor or inside the airport terminal here in Tiruvananthapuram, where each passenger coming out from the flight, they will have to take this whole route across this corridor from the aero bridge. They will have to walk all across this route. And also you can see here we have this the markings which are made on the ground which ensure social distancing. These markings are being made at exactly 1.5 meter distance, if I'm not wrong. So this will ensure that people who are standing in the queue can actually wait here, wait for their turn. Even when they're walking, they can maintain this distance. And what is most significant is the kind of arrangements that are being made at Tiruvananthapuram. This device that you see in your screen right now is actually a thermal detection camera. This will ensure that the people who are coming can be screened for their running temperatures without any human contact. I'm just walking across over here. I'm just crossing this mark, and when I reach this mark, I can just wait here for a second. This camera will show the body temperature. This will show my temperature at the moment, and if I'm having a higher temperature, then I will have to proceed to the isolation bay, and if not, I can safely continue for the rest of the formalities and clear out into the city. But even then, you will have to go through a mandatory 14-day institutional quarantine, and only then you can go back home.